Hi, my name is Liz Gooch and I'm the owner of Calla Creative Ink. We were just talking about step and repeat banners for your trade show. Now I'd like to talk to you about something else for your trade show, retractable banner. Retractable banner is fantastic because people can see it from way across the room and they can be drawn in by it. And really what it is it's just a portable banner that you just zip it right up and you've got your retractable banner and you can take it to trade shows very, very easily. It packs well and does really well in any setting. What's also nice about it is that you can stand next to it and present to it. You can point out key elements to people when they stop at your booth, which just makes things much more amazing. And then you just take them around the back and have them take pictures with your step and repeat banner. My name is Liz Gooch and I'm with Calla Creative Ink, where we make your trade show bloom. Give us a call today at 720-612-1376.